You chop broccoli for dinner, then suddenly wonder, wait, isn't broccoli supposed to be bad for my thyroid? Maybe you have heard for many cruciferous vegetables, you should avoid cabbage, soy, broccoli, cauliflower, etc. completely. But these food are actually packed with nutrients your body needs. So where did this thyroid food confusion come from? And what should you actually do in your kitchen? The truth is, thyroid health is not controlled by one magic food or one dangerous food. Your thyroid is like a tiny hormone factory, and like any factories, it needs the right raw materials. The problem is that online advice often focuses on one ingredient or one single thing, while ignoring the bigger picture. Let's start with the vegetable everyone talks about, broccoli. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower contain natural compounds called goitrogens. That sounds scary, but here's what matters. These compounds mainly become a concern when someone consumes very large amounts, especially raw, while also having very low iodine intake. For most people, normal portions of cooked vegetables are not a thyroid problem. Cooking is not just about flavor, it changes the chemistry of the food. Heat reduces the activity of an enzyme that helps create stronger goitrogenic compounds. Think of it like switching off a machine before it starts producing something. So instead of avoiding broccoli or cruciferous vegetables, try changing how you prepare them. This is why cooking methods matter. Steaming, roasting, and stir frying don't just change texture, they change nutrient availability and food compounds. But broccoli is also one of the most researched vegetables for health benefits. I explore its unique compounds and cooking methods in my full broccoli science video. There's another reason this matters. Your thyroid needs specific nutrients to work properly. Iodine helps make thyroid hormones. Selenium helps convert thyroid hormone into its active form and protects thyroid cells. But more is not always better. For example, seaweed can provide iodine, but concentrated amounts can actually overwhelm the thyroid. Cabbage has another interesting transformation: fermentation. Foods like sauerkraut and kimchi change the food environment by introducing beneficial microbes. I explore fermentation and why it matters for food and gut health in another video. All links are available in the description box. Remember that broccoli you questioned at the beginning? The problem was never the vegetable. The real secret is understanding your food, choosing variety, using smart cooking methods, and giving your thyroid the nutrient it needs. Like, subscribe, and tell me more in the comments. Which thyroid food myth surprised you most?